So today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite bags from Brandon Blackwood. And I'm going to say it, this bag is so good, it's probably going to become one of your favorites too. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if that's something you're into, which I mean, hello, come on. Between us, I'm assuming it is, you're here after all, right? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me over on Instagram at caleb.snell.designer. And what are we talking about today? We are going to be reviewing quite possibly one of the favorite bags in my collection, and it's a Brandon Blackwood. Now, what makes this bag so phenomenal? Why do I love it so much? Well, there are several factors that go into this. First of all, price point. Now, listen guys, I was in the city today and I was shopping. We were at Hermès, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, you name it, we pumped in today and we were browsing, just like window shopping. There's not a single designer handbag out there right now for sub $3,000 that I'm interested in anyway. Save space, I said what I said. That is absolutely insane. But what I love about Brandon Blackwood, a lot of his bags are priced sub $1,000, even sub $500. And that includes some exotics as well. Now, the Jasmine is no different. The Jasmine in the regular leathers, this is the oil slick calfskin, retails for $275 USD before tax. And it does come in a gorgeous beige python for only $550. Let that sink in. An exotic handbag for only $550. That's kind of amazing right now. In 2023, bag prices are absolutely astronomical, a little bit out of control. I said what I said, save space. Not gonna lie, I mean, we're on the same brain length here. The prices are nuts. But Brandon Blackwood, he is giving you the design and the quality that you're looking for a really good price point. I love that. Now this bag, I have it in the black here, and I went with the black because it was giving me all the Hermès kind of box cap goodness. And I was kind of excited to see how this bag would kind of age, distress, scratch on the smooth leather. So far it's done none of the above. I have carried this bag a lot over the weekends, whole weeks to work, and it still looks just as good as the day I unboxed it, which I think was only about 2 months ago. I said, oops. Comes in a few different colors. I have the black. In the oil slick calfskin, you can also get white, forest green, red, brown, and orange. All of them are really beautiful colors, and the green, the red, gorgeous jewel tones. The white comes with silver hardware, so if you're a silver bestie, I am most of the time these days, then go for the white. It'll look phenomenal in winter. I just see that with a really gorgeous puffer coat or a fur coat. It's gonna be a vibe, I promise. For a little bit more, like I said, the exotic, the beige python comes in at $550 USD. Now, these bags, what you see is what you get. It's a gorgeous top handle, which, as you know, I love my Kelly, I love my .com, my peekaboos, my vintage Dooney and Burke, literally anything that's just classic top handle, I am there 100. And this bag does not disappoint. So when I got it, I thought I would originally carry it mostly crossbody, but honestly, the handle, it's so nice, the shape of it. I'm a 6'7" man and I've got big man hands. I can carry this by the top handle just fine when we're walking around the city. I've got my big puffy trench coat on and I'm just walking through the city. And this bag is perfect for weekends, especially when you go into town and you just need a few essentials and you don't want to carry a really big heavy bag. This bag comes in clutch, quite literally. My crossbody besties, don't worry, Brandon Blackwood's got ya. Strap. The strap can go anywhere from 18 to 22 inches long, which is phenomenal. I'm a tall guy, and this really goes nicely crossbody on my frame. And you could also wear it on the shoulder if you wanted. Perfect strap drop. And I love this bag, you guys. Something that I figured out. So if you can tell, comes with a key clochette, right? But there's no lock. So why is this on here? Well, when you set it down at the lunch table, it flops down, this hangs down, it's a whole thing. However, this is a counterweight to hold the handle up. Flip it around to the back, and the handle stays up. Kind of a vibe. It looks really good sitting on the lunch table. Has feet, of course, which is amazing. We love a foot moment around here. And I mean, he nailed it with this bag. At this price point, I think I'm gonna add at least the python to my collection, maybe the brown. The brown is quite honestly a vibe as well. I can't say enough good things about this bag. So let me show you what fits inside. We'll go over some of the interior details and then my final thoughts. All right, guys, so here is the Brandon Blackwood. I cannot get over how gorgeous this bag is. Truly one of the top 10 in my collection. The brass hardware here, it's a nice pop against the black leather. You do have the 4 brass feet on the bottom, which, I mean, sound great when you set it down onto the marble. Now the back does not have a slip pocket, but I mean, a bag this size, are you really expecting one? Lower your expectations. Anyway, dimension wise, what do we have? So it's 8.9 inches in length, 8.7 inches tall, and 3.7 inches in depth, which, I mean, it's not a huge bag. Like, you're not packing your life in here and trudging around the city. You are literally going to get some of your essentials in there that just need to get you through the day or the weekend, and that is that. I'm going to be upfront with you guys. I think in a lot of these handbag reviews on YouTube, people are just like, they either like totally hate the bag or they have absolutely nothing bad to say about the bag. You come here for real facts, I'm gonna lay them out. Now, one of the things that drives me a little crazy with this bag, and that being said, it is a very minor gripe considering how much I love it. When you get in, you have to flip the bead down, and even then you don't have a lot of room to work with. Like, it's kind of tight in there. Now, again, I'm a 6'7" man with big man hands. You may not have the same problem. I just want you to be, you know, aware of what could bother you potentially. So what can we fit in here? We're not going to get our entire cosmetics case in, so let's just get the essentials. We're going to need our Hermès chapstick, our Shiseido Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 42 for face, which is water resistant up to 42 minutes. Link will be down in the description for this. I love this stuff. And last but not least, a glasses cloth. Oh, and some Shiseido blotting papers, and that's all we're gonna need from that. Let's get our card holder in there. There is a slip pocket here on the interior. Again, is it very useful? You could put a couple of cards in there though. Also to note, the exterior is a full calfskin, which is gorgeous. The interior though is a vegan leather. I was a little bit confused on the website. He did list the interiors as a microfiber or like a micro suede leather. I'm like, what does that mean? It's a vegan leather, like it is what it is. Let's throw our Prada 6-key holder in there as well. We'll drop our car key down in there. Glasses cloth, Hermès, Shiseido Urban Environment, SPF 42, and our blotting papers. Again, it's not pretty, it's just kind of thrown down in there. Now, is there more room? Absolutely, if you carry it open. It's gonna hold a lot more, but I want you to be aware, once you close it, it gets pretty thin up at the top. So you really only have about usable space up to about here. The rest is gonna be pretty tight. But anyway, it's very lightweight, all things considered. I mean, it is a tiny bag, but I mean, it's kind of perfect. Brandon Blackwood really nailed it with this design, and I'm excited to see what other new designs he introduces to his lineup. So that is my little in-depth review on one of the best handbags on the market, the Brandon Blackwood Jasmine. Now, this isn't the only phenomenal bag from Brandon Blackwood's design house. He also has the Naya, the Lisa, which high-key I want in the brown mink. Is that what I said? Save space. The Quay, the little vanity boxes, like so many good bags. And he's also starting to get into SLGs. I think he just released the bamboo card holder about a year or so ago, which is 100% a vibe, which I need to give my Gucci one a break. And I think the bamboo would look fire with this bag, not gonna lie. So if you haven't yet, definitely go and check him out. I'll have this bag linked down below and just like his overall website. In fact, I think he just released swimwear, which is low-key a vibe. Anyway, guys, I cannot say enough good things about this Brandon Blackwood. Do you have one? Let me know down in the comments like what you think of your Brandon Blackwood. And do you have the Jasmine or do you prefer another style? Because trust me, a lot of his styles, see, should have flipped this around, wouldn't have had that problem. A lot of his styles are completely on point, 100% fire, and I can see a few more entering my collection this year. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions about the Brandon Blackwood. I'll answer them down in the comments. Until the next video, guys, stay safe, have fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.